MTD CNC's travels across the UK and in fact around the globe, we get to meet a lot of engineers, and for me being a female, I'm kind of attracted to seeing where female engineers are in the workshop. And here I have got Becky Booth. It is a pleasure to have you on camera.
It's a pleasure to see you too.
Now, Becky started in engineering through an influence of your father here at Dewson Precision, but it was years before all of this, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Well, obviously he's been in engineering for like most of his life, so whenever I was growing up as a kid, I used to come down and see my dad at work. It was just like born into me, really.
Yeah. I think maybe or maybe not, but people forget that influence upon your child and your childhood, that you're just getting them used to a workshop, or that lifestyle is so influential. So where did it become a hobby turning into a career? What changed?
Well, obviously, as I was growing up, I was quite creative anyway. I wasn't really like a academic person. I was more hands-on. I needed to do something, so I was doing DT at school, making that my hobby, and obviously I'd help my dad at home in the garage and stuff like that, do you know, like little things.
Yeah.
And then obviously, like, as soon as I realised, I kind of need to start getting into a job kind of mindset, I was a bit like, oh, what do I do with my life? Yeah.
It's so hard at such a young age. People just expect you to know what you want to do, but I think because you've had this influence, it was kind of inbuilt from a very young age.
Yeah, definitely. I've just grown up with it, so it's just nature for me, really.
And now you're working here at Dewson Precision. How is it and what are you doing?
Well, I am training to be a programmer, and obviously I'm working with my family, so it's always nice to know everybody that you're working with, and it's quite a good setup as well.
So what do you like about engineering? What kind of gets your creative juices flowing, shall we say?
I think it's just the idea of it being so like mind-blowing sometimes, that you've made something from just a round piece of bar, or you know, just something small.
Yeah. And what challenges do you face on a day-to-day basis?
Oh, loads. Just looking at a job and thinking, how on earth do I make that?
Yeah. And does your dad help you, not like you're working on the machines, but do you have to do all of the software side of things as well, the CAD CAM?
Yeah, I do a lot of CAD CAM, so I did SolidWorks when I was at school, and I've recently been on a Hypermill course, so basically I know my way around the keyboard, kind of.
Kind of, I like that. You know what, I just think here variety is the spice of life, and a lesson to learn from this is for engineers out there, if you've got children, you're bringing them into your company or influencing them about engineering at a very young age, just like Becky here, it's going to last going forward into the future. Becky, it's an absolute pleasure to interview you, so thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.